this is just a quick little video. Tomorrow, Thursday, April 24th at 7 o'clock, the Waldorf Choir has a concert at Emmanuel Lutheran Church. This is our tour send-off concert. You know what that means. That means we're going to be doing everything that we're going to be doing on tour, so you can see it ahead of time. So make sure that you head on down to the church so that you can catch all of our awesomeness. Now I understand that some of you may live far away and may not be able to come see us in person. And I'm here to tell you that that's okay, because you can still see us. Down in the doobly-doo, I will have a link to a live stream where you can watch us on the internet. And when you fall in love with us, if you haven't already, don't worry, there's more to come! On Sunday at 3 o'clock, there will be a Songcore and Schola Cantorum concert. That concert is also at Emmanuel Lutheran Church. I know, you're crazy overjoyed right now! Me too! So make sure you come hear us and support us, because we greatly appreciate it. Alright, I'll catch you all next time.
Something that's different that I'm looking forward to is one, that we have a lot of freshmen, so they've never been out on tour before, so it's great to have new experiences with new people.